Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, certified astrologer, and in this segment I'm going to be going over the new moon that is about to take place in 3 days. And in this session I wanted to show you exactly where the new moon is. The new moon is in Leo, and Leo, this sign is very proud and very proud and grand. So as the new moon enters Leo, there is a lot more understanding of many countries between each country, and kind of like coming together of many different cultures and everything to create something more hopeful. Then there's Mercury, and Mercury is kind of a messenger, kind of like Hermes, a messenger god. That is, but this could be communication. So communication is Mercury, and when the new moon and Mercury get together, they create a dynamic trio. And then if you look at Mars, Mars is in Virgo. Mars is the catalyst, that's always known, and this is the 10th house. Pluto is in the 3rd house, and Aries, Saturn and Neptune, they're the outside planets, and they have a lot going on there. The North Node, otherwise the North Node is Rahu, and it says karma, kind of the understanding of karma, and what happens with karma. And so Saturn kind of like guides that to understand more. So those that have gone to understand this, they have a better chance of understanding their own life. There's Quran, where this is the Wounded Healer. This takes place in the 50s, in your 50s. Of course, then there's Scorpio. Scorpio is the ascendant, and Scorpio is kind of like the planet of death, almost the sign of death, but regeneration and rejuvenation. So here's the 1st house, and here's the 7th house, and they kind of like, even though they're opposite to each other, there's this is the house of partners, and this is kind of Uranus is in a kind of a quirky way there, and of course Venus represents Aphrodite. And so these are in the 7th house, and they allow for everything to be more, allows everything to be revealed more so. And so there's Jupiter in the 8th house, again, regeneration, rejuvenation, and resurrection. So these are the planets going on. Here's Mars. Mars is opposite to North Node. Of course, the opposite of North Node is the South Node. In Indian mythology, is known as Ketu, and that's the headless demon. And typically Rahu is more important as a karmic, as something to do with karma. So this pretty much sums it up, what's about to go on in the next couple of days. And I hope this makes sense. Thank you for listening.